I recently overheard this couple in a cafe. So please don't judge me, guys. So this guy asks his wife where all his money is. And suddenly she smiles, she twirls and flaunts. And then she says that she's wearing it. Why? Why is fashion so important? And why do you think certain brands are so expensive? Fashion is a form of self-expression. When you get dressed, you're making public an idea of yourself. As people often say, the first impression is the best impression. Wearing clothes and accessories from these fast-moving brands helps you create a favorable first impression, not only on your friends, but also on your colleagues and bosses, making your life so much easier. Well, sometimes fashion is just so misunderstood. People don't know the difference between looking trendy and homeless. When I mentioned Gucci at the beginning of my talk, I saw several complaining faces. Like I could actually hear you guys going, oh my god, those brands are so unnecessarily expensive. However, there's a pretty valid explanation for these brands charging such high prices. People purchasing from these brands tend to look at the extremely high quality that they offer. And it's this high quality that contributes 1/4 of its high price. These brands, they source the finest of raw materials from around the world. High-end labels spend a lot more time and do a lot more research when it comes to developing their products. The research and development team often had to create 5 to 6 different dresses in order to just make one. In fact, it's inspiring to see the amount of time and effort put in making a masterpiece. Production costs are just the tip of the iceberg. So a huge amount of resources go through the distribution of these products, as is rent and staffing costs, because customers nowadays demand a high, luxurious store experience and they want a huge amount of satisfaction when they're purchasing their products. But the most crucial thing that comes to deciding the price of the products is strategic brand positioning. It is this that helps in actually bringing out the price of the products. I'd like to share Burberry's position statement. Back in 2014, Burberry had made a shock announcement that it'd be increasing the pricing of its products. Initially, all of you would be forgiven for thinking that they were trying to make their brand out of reach of the less rich customers. But in reality, they had created a status for themselves, similar to which Apple had created for its iPhones. Everyone knows Apple iPhones are the most expensive devices in the market. But you're not just buying any smartphone, you're buying a status symbol. So the basic idea behind this is, if you could afford to buy Burberry clothing, you're not wearing a designer label. You're announcing to the world that you can wear Burberry clothing. I have talked about the reasons for the extremely unfair pricing. And us as rational consumers should understand that the maximum amount of money that we pay for the clothes are actually utilized in the department that persuades us that we need those items in the first place. These brands, they create a sense of attraction for the people by making them crave for what they can't have and what is hard to get. They continue to remain luxurious and we continue to remain devoted to them.